What if I told you that one single exercise could make you stronger, leaner, more mobile, and even better at everyday life? No fancy machines, no complicated routines, just squats. Squats are often called the king of exercises, yet many people either avoid them or do them incorrectly. Some think squats are only for bodybuilders. Others believe they're bad for the knees or too advanced. But the truth is, squats are one of the most natural and powerful movements the human body was designed to perform. In today's video, I'm breaking down 5 proven benefits of squats and why adding them to your routine can completely transform your strength, physique, and long-term health. Whether you're a beginner or experienced lifter, this is why squats deserve a permanent place in your workouts. 1. Full body strength development. Although squats are known as a leg exercise, they actually train your entire body. Your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves do the heavy lifting, but your core, lower back, and even upper body play a crucial role in stabilizing the weight. When performed correctly, squats teach your body to work as one strong, coordinated unit. This makes you stronger not just in the gym, but in real-life movements as well. 2. Muscle growth and lower body power. Squats are one of the best muscle-building exercises you can do. They allow you to move heavy loads safely, which creates the mechanical tension needed for muscle growth. Over time, this leads to stronger, thicker legs and powerful glutes. 3. Fat loss and metabolic boost. Because squats recruit so many muscles at once, they burn a high number of calories. Heavy compound movements like squats also elevate your metabolism long after the workout ends. This means your body continues burning calories even at rest. If your goal is fat loss, squats help you build muscle while increasing overall energy expenditure, a powerful combination for long-term results. 4. Improved mobility, balance, and core strength. Squats improve hip, knee, and ankle mobility when performed through a full, controlled range of motion. They also strengthen your core muscles, which are essential for balance and injury prevention. As mobility and stability improve, everyday movements feel smoother and more controlled. When you put it all together, squats are more than just an exercise. They're a foundation for strength, health, and longevity. They build muscle, burn fat, improve mobility, and prepare your body for real-life demands. Whether you use body weight, dumbbells, or a barbell, the key is consistency and proper form. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below, do you love squats or hate them? And remember, strong legs build a strong life. Keep training smart, and I'll see you in the next video.